Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today I'll show you how to assemble a 10-level hydroponic tower. And without further ado, I'll start from bottom to top. So first will be the base, which is these four pieces right here. They assemble 2 by 2, and then you put the two halves together. So I'll just do that. There's the first one. Then there's the second one. Wait. Now there's the second one. And then they come together like that. There's the whole thing. I recommend to put this piece in the middle first before continuing. So I'll just put it on, or put it in. It's a bit hard, but it's possible. This one probably I will just be sending like this, so that you don't have to do all of this. I will be sending it complete. And once you have it, it is the moment to assemble the base onto the flat surface for your reservoir. For this, I will be using a flat lid for a 5-gallon bucket. For that, first you put the holder piece in it, like so. I mean, you have to make a hole of 150 millimeters so that the holder can, get in it. Then, as every other piece, it just, locks in place by twist lock. So, like that. You hear that? Let me do that again. And there. So now this is gonna hold wind or, like maybe movements, and it's not gonna let go. It's very sturdy. So there's the base. Then let's start doing the sections. For that, I will just do the 10 sections and then assemble them. So I will be quiet for a little while I, finish the 10 of them. Okay. And the middle part of the first one, that's right. The first one has a different tube, which has the one connector for the hose that connects to the pump. So just remember, there is one pipe that is different, which is the bottom one. Just put it there. All other pieces are regular too. I'll just actually finish the tubes first and then continue with the modules. Kind of get confused. I think I have one piece missing, which means I didn't count them right. I'll just get one. I mean, I'll go get one that I have printed. Okay. Okay, I'll go get one. Okay, back. So yeah, there is a 10 pieces, I mean 10 modules. Now, in order for the water, I mean, for the tubes to be watertight and, so that the water reaches the top, the fountain, um, it is required for each top section of the tubes to have an O-ring. I made this out of quarter, no, I think it's half an inch vinyl tube, or I mean, half an inch inner diameter vinyl tube. So, yeah, it just goes in there like that, like just on top of every section. I mean, the tube. yeah, I think that's it. Next part would be the Fontener, which is basically this smaller piece. It assembles the exact same way as the modules, just one half and the other, and then the whole thing. The only difference is that it requires the little fountain thingy. It just screws the same way into the holder, like so, and then it just holds the four pieces together, like so. There you go. All right. So next would be to have the first piece, the one that has the tube connection. Well, you first want to connect the tube into this, the one that connects to the pump, but it's just a matter of assembling every single piece. Like gets on the next one with the same mechanism. And I recommend the modules to be staggered 45 degrees so that the plants on top don't overshadow the or don't produce a lot of shadow on the next one. And so, and then just do the same for the rest of them. Okay, so the last section. Oh, I think I didn't assemble the last one right. Okay, and then last one. And there's the lid. Lid assembles kind of the same way. There's two pieces, similar to the other ones, a little bit different. Okay. Okay. Like so. And then this one goes in there to hold the four pieces together. And it's there. And then it just goes in the top. So. All right. Next thing, it's the attachments. So I made these four pieces here. I know it just came off, but it's pretty easy to assemble. And it's very, very sturdy. Uh, these ones are for lights if you want to have indoors. It can be outdoors as well. It's just that PETG degrades faster under UV light, but it should last you for around 2 years in continuous UV light exposure. So let me show you how this goes. Indoors is basically 10 years, so there's no way that it's probably gonna break if you you're not careful and drop it or something. That's probably more likely to happen than for it to just, you know, go bad. And I made the design to be pretty sturdy. This can hold decent weight. I mean, if I pull it a lot, it's gonna break because it's plastic, but it's gonna hold like maybe 1 kilo easy. I don't know. I'll be testing that to have the actual number, but it is pretty sturdy. And also, I made the modules, I mean the sections, to have this dovetail in pretty much every section, and that is so that attachments can be made. I also made these cloners. I use them to clone strawberries, but you can use it for cloning or holding any other plants in here. And it attaches to the dovetail like this, and that's pretty much it. It will hold pretty good, and yeah, I think this is it pretty much. Let me know what you guys think. Let me just show you the full tower so that you can see the full. Yeah, it is pretty big. So yeah, this is it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And any feedback is greatly appreciated. Oh wait, let me show you one last thing. So for these cups, usually when you use the 2-inch, I mean, for these 3-inch cups, usually you want to use something that is pretty snug to it and that is flush um, to the net cup. To do that, what I do is I just fill it with a bunch of um, clay pebbles. I don't know what's the actual name, until um, the rock wool is flush, something like that, and then just snug it in there with more pebbles. I just put it on the sides until it just it doesn't move no more. A little bit more. They're called something like Sika something. I don't know what's the exact name. But yeah, now it's pretty snug. And then just put it like that. And should be good. This is especially good for strawberries since they don't like the chrome to be wet. But yeah, this is it. This time for sure. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.